The FSA 200 and FSA 200R are the most powerful brush cutters available in the AP system, designed for the most demanding use by professionals. Available in both bike handle and loop handle versions, the FSA 200 sets the new standard for cordless cutting power. With a mechanical output of 1.6 kilowatts, the FSA 200 offers a big increase in power compared to the FSA 135, and is comparable in power to an FS 361cm petrol clearing saw. With increased power comes a wider range of compatible cutting attachments and the ability to cut through tough material faster. For the longest working time, we recommend the FSA 200 is used with the AP 500S, our most powerful AP system battery. The FSA 200 comes with a GSB 260-2 grass cutting blade as standard, whilst the FSA 200R comes with an AutoCut C 26-2 mowing head. Whilst the highly versatile AutoCut head is standard on the FSA 200R, running PolyCut blades or metal cutting blades can help extend the total working time per charge by up to 20%. So this is an option if you'd prefer to use these instead of mowing line. Eco mode can also help maximise battery life when trimming grass or thinner material. A new feature on the FSA 200R model is the quick release clamp below the loop handle. Tools can often be shared with users of different heights, so being able to adjust the handle position without the need for tools is a big advantage. As you'd expect from a professional STIHL brush cutter, the FSA 200 features a sturdy aluminium shaft, a hard-wearing gearbox, and an IPX4 rated power head for use in all weather conditions. IPX4 protects from splashing water no matter the direction. You can see the housing extends further than the battery, protecting the battery from damage if tipped over. The mesh air filter also helps to cool the motor during use and is easy to clean. The FSA 200 offers a sturdy handlebar with an AV system for low vibration and increased user comfort. Plus the quick release screw makes folding the handle easy for compact storage too. Both models also feature an LED display to indicate the power setting, as well as simple controls for turning the machine on and adjusting the maximum speed settings. To keep your FSA 200 in top condition, we recommend the FS Care and Clean Kit. The standard kit contains multi-spray and Superlube gear lubricant, and the FS Plus Care and Clean Kit contains Vario Clean, Superlube gear grease and multi-spray. Like many other AP system tools, the FSA 200 is compatible with the STIHL Smart Connector 2A. The connector automatically collects the runtime information of your tool and syncs it to the connected app and portal via Bluetooth. Here you'll have an accurate record of your FSA 200's runtime history and maintenance schedule for hassle-free fleet management. To find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.